How to live the brightest life possible? Have a goal. Purpose and dream are the two engines for living, because that's what literally makes people live. A dream begets a goal begets tasks begets action begets life. A person doesn't have to be aware of his goal, but it's extremely important to have it. That is, you can have no problem burning with energy from within, you can devote a lot of time and attention to something every day, but you are not aware of your purpose. You just haven't seen it yet. Conversely, you might just set a goal, but it will be mediocre, like make $1 million. Such mediocre goals are usually just a means of meeting your mundane needs. So usually just having such a goal doesn't generate even close to enough life energy to achieve it. This means that it will never come to fruition. Let's think, what does purpose even mean? Here, I'm not just talking about a goal of some particular campaign in your life, an intermediate stage. I'm talking about your ikigai, purpose, what you live for. It usually has the following wording: as far as it possible, to positively affect the world through your activities. For example, I haven't yet found or articulated my ultimate purpose, but I'm confident that I'm going in its direction towards it, because I'm engaged in my activity through which I will be able to realize my potential to change this world for the better as much as I can. That is, to set a goal is once again to ask myself, why am I living? Now I'll tell you step by step how to get on your way and then find your real purpose and follow it. A goal, aka ikigai, is the mediation of an activity that you love to do, that you do well, that the world needs, and for which people will be willing to pay you. To find it, the first thing you need to do is recall the phase of your life that contributed to your greatest growth. It's not just that, it will help you find a combination of the first two factors. Because you can only grow and improve so much in what you're good at, right? And you can only be good at what you like. If you're interested in it, if you're ready to devote all your free time to it, that's what I'm talking about. And that's what you need. Now, the challenge is to figure out how it can help people. Think about how to implement it in a way that you yourself would most enjoy doing this activity. Once you understand how you can help people with your activity, it's not far to the last step. Your activity brings people benefit, and for real benefit are willing to pay. Different benefits can be paid in different ways, but it starts with something. It may not pay off for you for a long time, but when it does, you will have a great advantage. You will be able to live off the resource you get from your favorite business. Just imagine. It may not be as lucrative as other alternatives in the short term, but in that case, you have two options. Work for a lot of money, but little because you don't like it, or work for a little money, but a lot, and subsequently increase your earnings while enjoying it very much. So here is the solution and the answer to the question of how to set goals and achieve them. To achieve your goals, set them in a way that suits you. The point is not just to set any goal. A goal is just a guideline for doing something that you're enjoying a mountain of fun. When you don't feel like doing anything, but your inner overseer scolds you for procrastination, the dumbest thing you can do is set yourself a goal. You don't have to set a goal, you have to live it. So in no way do I advise you to set a goal if you think you need one. What to do in such a case, I've already described. Get to know yourself, always learn something new, and don't be afraid to open up to your purpose. Sooner or later, you'll find your passion.